in this video the chapter number 2nd of class 7, and that is fractions. So now let's see the concept of this chapter. So what is the fraction? First is, what is the fraction? Fractions. So what is the fraction? So the number the numbers of the form A upon B, where A and B are natural numbers, are known as fraction. So student, fraction, what is a fraction? The fraction is the numbers of the form A upon B, where A and B are natural number, are known as fractions. For example, for examples, 2 upon 3. So A equal to 2 and B equal to 3. So 2 and 3, A and B are natural number. So 2 and 3 both are natural number. Second example, 11 upon 7. So A equal to 7 and B equal to, so A equal to 11 and B equal to 7, and 11 and 7 both are natural number. 23 upon 100. So A equal to 23 and B equal to 100. So 23 and 100 both are natural number. Okay, and in A upon B we call A as numerator and B as denominator. Okay student, in A upon B, so A is numerator and B is denominator. For example, first 2 upon 5 is a fraction. Okay, so 2 upon 5 is a fraction. So in which numerator is 2 and denominator is 5. So numerator is equal to 2 and denominator is equal to 5. Next example number 2nd, 15 upon 7. So 15 is numerator and 7 is denominator. Okay, next example, 3rd, 8. So 8 upon 1. Okay, so 8 is numerator and 1 is denominator. Okay student, In a upon b, we called a is numerator and b as denominator. For example, 2 upon 5 is a fraction, so in which 2 is numerator and 5 is denominator. Second example, 15 upon 7, so 15 is numerator and 7 is denominator. And next example, 8 upon 1, so 8 is numerator and 1 is denominator. Okay student, and next topic, various type of fractions. Next topic is various types of fractions. So first type is decimal fraction. First type is decimal fraction. So decimal fraction, a fraction was denominator is any of the numbers 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 is called decimal fraction. So decimal fraction, a fraction whose denominator is any of the number 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. For example, first example, 13 upon 10. So denominator is 10, so of the number is 10, same. Next example, 29 upon 100, again denominator is 100. Okay. Next, 127 upon 1000. So 127 upon 1000, again denominator is 1000. Next, upon 10,000, again denominator 10,000. So of a fraction whose denominator is any of the number 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 is called decimal fraction. And all examples is a decimal fraction. Okay student, and next type, second, proper fraction. In proper fraction, numerator is less than denominator. In proper fraction, numerator is less than denominator. So definition is a fraction was numerator is less than its denominator. It's called proper fraction. Okay, for example, first example is 2/7. Numerator is 2 and denominator is 7. So numerator is less than denominator 7. Next example, 1/8. Again numerator is 1 and denominator is 8. So numerator is less than denominator. Next example, 21/40. So numerator is 21 and denominator is 40. So numerator is less than denominator. Next, 77/100. So numerator is 77 and denominator is 100. All examples are all proper fraction. Okay student, so second type, proper fraction. In proper fraction, numerator is less than denominator. Okay, next, third type, improper fraction. Then in improper fraction, numerator is more than or equal its denominator. So student, in improper fraction, numerator is greater than, more than or equal to its denominator. In definition, a fraction was numerator is more than or equal to its denominator. It's called an improper fraction. Okay student, improper fraction, a fraction was numerator is more than or equal to its denominator is called an improper fraction. For example, 11/7. Numerator is 11 and denominator is 7. So numerator is more than denominator. Next example, 25/11. The fraction is 25/11. The numerator is 25 and denominator is 11. So numerator is more than its denominator. Next example, 47/25. So fraction is 47/25. So numerator is 47 and denominator is 25. So numerator is greater than denominator. And next example, 59/59. So fraction is 59/59. Numerator is 59 and denominator is also 59. So numerator is equal to the denominator. So all examples are improper fraction. Okay student, and next fourth type, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. So in mixed fraction, natural number plus proper fraction. So in mixed fraction, natural number plus proper fraction. For example, 2 plus 1 upon 7 equal to 2 1 upon 7. So 2 1 upon 7 is example of mixed fraction. So in definition of mixed fraction, so a number which can be expressed as the sum of a natural number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Okay student, so definition of mixed fraction: a number which can be expressed as the sum okay of a natural number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. For example first, 2 upon 5. So 1 is natural number and 2 upon 5 is proper fraction. Okay, and combined 2 upon 5 is mixed fraction. 3 4 upon 5. 3 is natural number, 4 upon 5 is proper fraction. Okay, so the sum of 3 and 4 upon 5 proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. So combined in 3 4 upon 5 is mixed fraction. 12 3 upon 11. 12 is natural number and 3 upon 11 is proper fraction. So the sum of natural number and proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. So combined 12 3 upon is a mixed fraction. So all examples are mixed fraction. Okay student, and next type, fifth number, equivalent fraction. So next type in next class. Okay.